Regular inspection of your propane system by a qualified professional will give you peace of mind and confidence that your appliances and other components are in tip-top shape. Talk to your propane retailer about what kind of inspection is right for you. When it's time for an inspection, be sure to mention any important information about your system since the last inspection, such as any recent changes to your system, any appliance installations, any maintenance work that's been done on or near your propane system, and don't forget to mention any unusual smells or signs of a possible gas leak. Inspections can vary depending on the type of system you have. Talk with the technician about what they're looking for and ask for any important safety information that you can review with your family. Propane helps millions of Americans live comfortably wherever and however they want. And regular propane system inspections can help keep everything running smoothly. Call your propane retailer to schedule an inspection today.